Ooh! Ooh! Uh-oh. That a hole?
That was our crack.
That's the hole.
Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today we have a low-rise, a 5 to 7 story condos that we have a kitchen stack that picks up 6 kitchens. A 2-inch cast iron stack that is leaking between floors, and summer's on us. So they want a quick resolution. The kitchen's remodeled and the hallways have all been remodeled. So they want to do a non-evasive repair, and that's where we come in. We're going to line a 2-inch vertical stack, get it patched, and get them up and running, because guess what, boys? Summer's coming. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and follow this journey as I train my 2 sons of plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you inside. Alright folks, this is our vertical stack. We're actually going up from the parking garage in a bike room, going vertical to locate our broken pipe. It's a crack stack and leaking, of course, when they run it. The 3rd floor kitchen, that's when it leaks. It's not the 2nd floor, it's the 3rd floor. So our job here is to locate the leak, line it, and save them some demolition from opening walls, open up the new kitchen, and getting to this T. And we're going to use new flow technologies to get it done.
Hey Siri, call Joe.
Which one? Hello, Joe, or Doc Joe? Calling now.
I'd love to run some water down here and see what it looks like. I like it there, Dave. I think it's all just mud. Hey, Joe. Ooh! Ooh! Uh-oh. That a hole?
That was our crack.
That's the hole. We got our work cut out for us now. Wow.
That's right where that crack was too,
That's
right?
where that crack was, yeah.
What's behind it? So it was probably just mud.
It's in the wall. That's
How much? Keep going. Wow, that's a good foot.
All right.
That's a good foot. A foot and a half.
That's.
We probably took all that crap off there and it's just falling off.
Keep going up. Keep going. All right, so we're going, keep going. I want to put that line right there, okay? I want to be right at that hub, okay?
okay. Ocean Plaza. Just ran the wire brush.
Where we look? Get up past it to that hub?
No, yeah, no, I just started. You were above the crack?
Yeah, we only did around the top of the,
Yeah.
I only went up to where that ring is, all around that ring. Oh yeah, see it?
Looking good.
That's our hub. Hold it right there.
We got.
This is that hub that he was hitting.
What's this?
This is the hub that he was just doing.
We got sand and more.
A lot of ridges. It looks better, but there's still a lot of ridges.
Yeah. All right. Hit it with a sander. Maybe get some blue sandpaper. All right. We got to do it.
Ocean Plaza after final rinse.
a lot more black.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. I like it.
Let's send a video of that to Rick.
No, we're going for it.
That looks pretty good, man.
All right.
Looks nice and clean there too.
All right. Let's do it.
Let's do the same thing, 8 to 10 inches. You just don't want to go too heavy on the tape because the 2-inch won't pop it. Tape, pull. Nice.
Chuck it right between my hands again.
If the first one's not sticking, so I'm just gonna let it rip. All right?
As long as the other ones are good, that one shouldn't really be a problem.
This is gonna be where we put the,
People always like to call it first one.
one tape, right?
One tape, right on top of itself.
Two or pop.
Tell me to get out of your way.
You're good.
Don't mind me.
Just unload this tape right apart.
All right, now.
Don't get too heavy. Now we gotta get this in there.
Just have it. The orange one, just have it
All right, Chuck, hold on 1 second.
The blue one.
Yeah, put a couple loops around.
How's time, Chuck?
Time, check, hold on. One second.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Start pulling easy.
As soon as he gets in a few inches, I'll send the camera right in.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, start pulling.
Okay, here we go. Jack.
I can't see, man. Go slow. I will go slower, dude.
All right, hold. Isn't that our hub?
That's yeah. that
Back
should
down,
be
right,
there.
Dave? Isn't that the hub right there?
4 o'clock. Yes.
Well, I pulled a lot.
That's all right, it's probably
It's okay.
slack.
You're okay.
Okay.
You're good. Just like that, nice and easy.
We're going slow.
Yep, that's good. Get on me. All right, is that
All right,
our
hold on. He's
hub?
right. He's past it.
That's our hub
That's
there.
right where we gotta be. If you have him pull up past it, then he can sit back down and do it.
There it is, right there. Is that it?
That's
no.
it.
Oh, that's the bottom of the.
I'm pulling super slow.
Okay, pull a little more.
Okay, that's the T, right? Oh, there's the hole.
This is it. This is
All
it.
right.
So have him. We can have him sit back down. Come back down.
Stop, Chuck.
Bring it back down because this should be our swedge. Do you see that little shine?
Yep.
That should be our guy right there.
Okay, so you tell me.
Have
All
it.
right, Chucky, I'm gonna pull back, so just let me.
Very slowly.
Yep.
Very, very slow. A little more. Just a hair. Okay, so now he should be, that swedge is right on that hole.
Right, that's about 3 inches long.
Right. So bring it down just a little bit, Keith. A little tiny bit. And now
Right there.
swedge is past it. That should be it, man.
That should be.
That should be it.
So we hear it.
Looking for 24 and a half.
Here it comes. Five PSI. I say we go slow the whole way up.
We got time.
We got the
'Cause I-
Keith's right, we got time.
I don't like, because when we, before, it would hit like 26 and then slowly come down. This way we could just work it nice and slow up to where it needs to be.
So
All right, Chuck, I think you're good, Chucky.
All right, I just need this rip one of this lady sink.
Yes.
Yeah, just wrap it up. Make it look clean up there, Chucky, okay?
Yes, sir. All right, I'll be on a minute.
And we know we're not too high, and we know we're not too low. We just want to find the spot where that little hub was.
Oh, there's epoxy coming down the drain. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So that's our over, so we know it was letting out.
Yeah. That's kind of crazy, huh?
Let's see if I can spin it. I think we're a little leery about how we're going to pull and everything else. Ready?
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Actually, I'm going to pull hard enough, bro. Now, show me something good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, we got stuff in the sink upstairs.
Is it tied off?
No, I'm gonna make sure.
Yeah!
Let's check this out there, see what it looks like. Just for fun.
Yeah. Really hurt us.
Alright, Rick, the bladder came out real nice. Go ahead, brother. Hit that, Keith. Bang. Now we're going up. Our pull cord's still up there. Actually, it wasn't the whole thing's there. Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, is that whole?
Yeah. And here's our end point, and there's our lateral right here, which we can stand up. I think we got it. Bang.
Okay. Ocean Plaza in Longport, cammering line after installation and sanding of liner. Get a good shot of this bottom piece here. Good, above the fitting. Liner looks nice and smooth. Onto the top. And there's our line right there up at the top. So we should be right on where we want it to be. And we're smooth. Should be good.
There you have it, folks. Very tedious and got the job done. New Flow is really nice to work with. The technology's killer. And it's been awesome to offer my customers or anybody that calls us an option besides tearing the place apart. And with that, it worked out. We worked from the bike room to the kitchen, and no leaks. Man, there's some high-powered cars going by here. I just saw a Ferrari and a Porsche. Huh. Summer's here, boys. Anyway, what do we got? What do we got over there at the condos? What we got is this. And there goes another satisfied customer, folks. See you at the next one. Have a great night.